Guys, Rebecca here, wanting to talk to you guys today a little bit about weighing food. So today a bunch of my clients have had problems with weighing out cooked meat. It's kind of the hardest thing to do because most packaging, let's just say a frozen bag of chicken breast, on the back it's going to say 4-ounce serving is 24 grams of protein, 1 fat, 0 carb. But that's for 4 ounces of raw chicken. When you cook it, you lose roughly an ounce, depending on how well you cook it, of nutrients in a food and of weight. So your macros are going to be off and not accurate when you log it in MyFitnessPal. So today, I'm going to show you kind of what I do in the easiest way. Now, some people will tell you to multiply it by things. I find that just to be a headache, mostly because I suck at math and I don't want to have to deal with the headache. So I'm going to show you what I do. I have a roast that I made yesterday in the crock pot, and I'm going to have it for lunch today, but I need to accurately weigh it. So this is how I do it. I get my food scale out, and sorry it's dirty. I had it just made a video for a client. So I have cellophane over the top of it, plastic wrap, whatever you want to call it. My food scale here, I'm going to turn it on. Make sure it's at 0 in grams. So, boom, change my units, milliliters, grams. Can you see that okay? It's kind of reflective. There you go. I'm going to slap a whole bunch of meat on here. Boom, 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 boom. Let's do some more. I'm not going to eat all this, but for the sake of showing you. 183 grams. I'm going to change my units. There you go, to 6.4 ounces. 6.4 ounces. The next thing I'm going to do is hop on my computer and go to USDA.gov. Now, you can see here, I'm at the USDA. I've searched game meat deer raw. This is whitetail, I believe. They do have antelope in here. They have elk, they have bison, they have beef, they have turkey, and whatever else you want. USDA pretty much has it all. So, like I said, you're going to lose around 1 gram of weight. So over here, I have the cooked. On the other one, I had the raw. So here is raw, 4 ounces, 26 grams of protein, 2.7 fat. I'm going to come over here to the cook and roasted. Come down 3 ounces, 25.68. If you round up, 26 and 2.7. Same macros for 1 ounce less cooked. Okay? So that's one thing you can do. Just quicken your head, figure it out on MyFitnessPal. Super simple and easy. The next thing you can do is I just weighed that out and it's 6.9. So I come over here to cooked and I will do 6.9. Enter. And boom. 59 grams of protein and 6.2 grams of fat. Go over to MyFitnessPal, put that in, and I'll be done. Accurate, easy peasy. I will say, due to the decimal system and everything, all the little decimals, this will be different from this. It'll start getting a little more off the higher you go. So let's do 7.9 over here, and you can kind of see that. Here it's 51 of raw. Over here it's 59. This is 6.2. This is 5.4. So as you go up and weight, it's going to create more of a difference there. So just know that. Now, is this going to make or break you for the day? More than likely not. It's really, 8 grams. Depends how picky you're going to have your macros and how picky you need to be. But for the most part, that's not going to throw you off for a day. But it is something to know if you're going to want to log as accurately as possible. Okay? Easy peasy. They have them in grams, ounces. Now, I'm kind of anal retentive. So I come to USDA. I have this saved on my computer. And I come here for everything. Green beans and carrots and cocoa and whatever else I'm doing, I try to come here and search it out. Mostly because I don't trust MyFitnessPal users. Because they enter a lot of stuff and they enter it wrong. So I like to just double check the things I'm eating all the time. Once you put this into MyFitnessPal, it is going to be saved and you can always go in and add it to another day, another meal all the time. So you don't have to do it every single time. You don't have to come here. You'll just know that every time you have cooked roasted meat, this is what you need to use. Okay, simple, easy. I hope this is somewhat helpful for you guys. Don't use the multiplier system. It's a pain in the butt. I mean, I guess if you really like math, you can. But it's very subjective to what you think your multiplier should be. And so I would just come here and do that. Have any questions, comments, concerns? Let me know.